This is an important table that I've culled from the Oracle documentation, the Concepts Guide, which really should be your main go-to textual resource to supplement what I'm teaching you in these courses. I get a question from Windows administrators sometimes, can I bounce or restart the instance by using the Service Control Manager or the net stop command and net start? Yeah, you can do that if you want to. If you have Cloud Control, Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control, you can do shutdowns and startups there. You can set initialization parameters in any Enterprise Manager, even DB Express. But unfortunately, you cannot do startups and shutdowns in DB Express. Again, this table's cool because it shows the 4 different shutdowns and what the key difference is. Note that none of them, shutdown normal, transactional, immediate, or abort, will permit new connections, and that only the normal waits until current sessions end. The question is, does the shutdown wait for current transactions to end, you see? So transactional is going to take a little bit less time than normal. Normal is slow, and sometimes you just don't have time to do a normal shutdown. If, for instance, you're running on battery power and you know you have a minute left, you may have to do an abort. But transactional is cool because it'll kill current sessions, but it will wait for those transactions to finish. Note that immediate and abort do not do that. The final differentiator, does Oracle perform a checkpoint before it closes open files? Remember, a checkpoint is a mark in the sand, it's a clock tick, however you want to look at it, that allows the instance to figure out where it is in terms of transaction streams in the data files, in the control files, in the undo and redo areas. And the cool thing about the checkpoint, and that's where immediate comes in, is that you can hopefully bring your database back to where it was at the time of failure, or very, very close to it, by coming or rolling forward to the most recent checkpoint. Abort does nothing, as I said earlier. It kills everything. It's essentially like pulling the power plug out of your Oracle server, and you want to do abort only when you absolutely have to.